This question is to use the exponential form to compute the given function 1 plus square root 3 times I to the power of minus 2024. So very similar to our previous question. This time, the power becomes minus 2024. So likewise, we already know we can change the base into the form of 2 times 1/2 plus square root 3 over 2 times I. And to change it into the exponential form, we can write it as 2 times e to the power of pi over 3. So next, we just substitute into the given function and rewrite it as the exponential form, which becomes 2 to the power of minus 2024 times e to the power of minus 2024 times pi I over 3. And simplify it, the exponential form becomes e to the power of minus 674 pi I minus 2 pi I over 3. And since it has a period of 2 pi I, so we can further update it into 2 to the power of minus 2024 times e to the power of minus 2 pi I over 3. And for the exponential form, the angle is minus 2 pi over 3. So we can rewrite it into the x plus yi form, where x is minus 1/2 and y is minus square root 3 over 2, because the angle is minus 2 pi over 3. So further updated, the final answer becomes minus 2 to the power of minus 2025 times 1 plus square root 3 times I.